What is up? It's your boy the Knologist. We're back with another episode of OSRS AFK Training and Code Study Sesh. We're going through authentication right now on the HTTP servers course. Function hash, password, and string. Do we put this, like, what does it mean by create an internal auth package? Like, do I just create that in one? Technically it'd be one file per function. Password hash.go. Oh, this is my main.go. This is my password hash.go. Hash the password by using bcrypt. So I could say password there's probably a bcrypt generate from password. So let's go to this. I might have to import something. Bcrypt package golang. It's saying documentation, but what the fuck is it? Oh, errors new crypto bcrypt. This is for the error. How do you actually cache it? Error mismatch, password too long. Compare and hash. Okay, cost. Generate from password. What is this cost that they're talking about? The minimum allowable cost passed in. I mean, I don't need to know the cost. Is that optional? How to use this? Import XO bcrypt. Is that what it's saying to do? Imports. Right now this isn't doing it, so let's go there. let's just call it password because I want to be explicit on what this is, and then we'll call this hashed. Hash password error. Generate from password bcrypt default cost. See, this is good to know. It might be returning a byte string because it's going to be hashed. We take in a string, we get this out. Error hashing password. That's pretty much it. We return the hashed password. And the package, since it doesn't matter if it's multiple or singular files, I can just use it as it is. And then main.go. Compare and hash password. Okay. Well, ideally you'd want one file per function, but I could also just do it all in one if they're gonna use the same they're gonna use the same import. So technically password hash I could rename password hash functions and then delete this, move to trash. Then I just go check password hash. then let's get through this really quick. Comparing hash password. It takes 2 byte strings for this. So password, well, that's pretty much close to what I'm trying to do. One sec. And what I think it is yeah, it's definitely the password. It's definitely the password. So password string hash byte. So then we're gonna follow the convention error. Compare password hash, and then byte. The password string with the stored hashed password that we get from above. technically it got what it's supposed to do here. I could even just do this and just return the error, honestly, regardless of what it is. Oh, it would be nil, actually. It would either be nil or the error, technically. Let's do it this way. If that would technically be it. Wait, that would technically be it because it just returns an error, and if there's no error, it's nil. Essentially. Oh, what the fuck? Let's do this. Get some more cannonballs. What time are we at? 18 minutes. Cool. I should keep the ball moving with this authentication stuff. So let's go do chat. Let's just compare pieces of it. So it says to do this. This is my code. Should return string error, not byte error. Don't use log fatal inside helpers. Okay. Let's try it this way. Let's go byte password. Still has a couple of problems. You're returning a hash password byte. You need to cast it to a string. Okay. Okay, so we have to typecast this back to a string. Oh, you could just return the error too. You could just return this directly. That would save a bunch of stuff here. Okay, bcrypt. Where did that? Bcrypt. So this is the beauty of AI. I could just check my spelling errors instantly. Compare password hash. Oh, compare password and hash. Dude, I love it. Compare password hash. Compare password and hash. Just keep pasting it back in. Two issues. Okay, cool. You're mixing types. Password hash returns a string. Both need to use strings. Oh, because yeah, we typecast it to a string after. Then we go byte password and then byte password hash. Okay, that makes sense. So you have to typecast basically between these. This is some knowledge right here. Compare hash and password. Okay. Let's just smooth that. I want. Okay. Or also reversed. Hash password, plain password. God, it's finding bare errors. Oh God, this is terrible. Okay, so we completely clean out the function. Wrote a couple of unit tests. The package. Okay, update the post API users endpoint should now require a new password. Post API users should now require a password field. Post API users. Where's post API users? So basically you want to go to here. The way I usually do this is I go to wherever the endpoint is, then I look at what function. Post API users. Okay, so then it's going to go Control F that. It'll take you here. New decoder decode. It should now take a password. Okay, so there's email and password. Okay. The body parameter should now require a password field. Queries. queries. So it's not going to query email and password back to the database. Update the endpoint. Body parameters should now do this, yes. Use your internal package's hashed password to hash the function before storing it in the database. Do not hash the password. Do not return the password in the response. Well, technically it's the hashed password, but okay. But you know what? We will continue this in the next video because I will place that there. Because technically I want to know the sequence of events with this. So first I'll have to feed it. I have to go to boots basically. So I'm just going to go tree L3. This pretty much shows the whole structure of my file setup, which is what I'll give boots in the next video. So stay tuned. Yeah, leave your likes, comments, subscribe, and tell me, what do you want to see in these upcoming videos? Because like once I'm done this HTTP servers course, I might do the Primogens course and then just get to building again on live stream. But yeah, that'll be at random. So stay tuned. Peace.